On Monday, June 1st, Moody's downgraded India's sovereign rating to Baa3 from Baa2 with a negative outlook. Now the question is, what is the reason behind this downgrade? But before going to the reason, first we should learn what are these credit rating organizations and why their credits, their opinion matters so much in the finance world. So in this video, first we will learn what are these credit rating organizations and what type of systems they use and what does it mean. And then we will focus on the reasons for this downgrade. Hello and welcome to Newsbug episode number 2. My name is Shubham Bagde and in today's video we are trying to understand what is the reason behind Moody's downgrading India's sovereign ratings. Now the first question is, who is Moody's? Moody's Investors Services is a credit rating agency, a bond credit rating agencies. Now the next obvious question is, what are these bond credit rating agencies? To understand this, let's take the similar example that we took in the last video. Consider a company named Shubham Chemicals. Now I am the promoter of Shubham Chemicals and I need 8 crore rupees to build a new factory. Now I go to the bank and ask for 8 crore rupees of loan. But this time bank says it cannot provide the loan. Now what kind of options do I have? I can go to the public, private investors and announce that I need 8 crore rupees to build my factory. Anyone who invests in my factory will get 10% interest annually on the invested amount, and I need this amount for 5 years. After 5 years, you will get your invested amount back. After listening this, you are interested in investing. So you approach me and you say that I have 1 crore rupees and you want to invest that into my company. Now, you ask me what kind of returns I will get. As I have promised that you will get 10% interest on your invested amount. So you will get 10 lakh rupees every year as an interest on your 1 crore rupees of investment for 5 years. And after completion of that 5 years, you will get your principal, the invested amount of 1 crore rupees back. You say I am interested. You give me 1 crore rupees and in return, I give you a paper which acts as a proof on which all terms and conditions of the deal are mentioned. This is a bond. Now I have 1 crore rupees, but I need 7 crore rupees more. Now another investor comes in and shows interest in my bonds and he is ready to invest 1 crore rupees in my bonds. But he has one question. He asks me, what is the guarantee that if he invests in my bonds, I will pay the interest which I am promising and the principal amount after 5 years. Now there is a problem. I try to convince him that I am a very honest person. I have a very good company. Will he believe me? The answer is no. Now what we do in this type of situations? We bring a third party to the equation which is impartial to both of us. Now I approach a third party who can analyze my business and rate my bond and give its opinion on my ability to pay the interest and principal back to the investor. These third parties are called as bond credit rating agencies. Similarly, Moody's is also a bond credit rating agencies. There are 3 major bond credit rating agencies in the world. The first one is Moody's Investors Services. Second one is S&P Global Ratings. And the third one is Fitch Rating Incorporated. This group is called Big 3 because 95% of bond credit rating business market is occupied by these 3 companies. Now, what does the Moody's do? Moody's have set of standard operating procedures and a set of rules by which it analyzes my company and gives a rating to my bonds. Now, they have a particular scale of rating bonds which you can see here. After analyzing my company, Moody's will give a rating to my bond. If my company is in bad conditions, the fundamentals are bad, it will give a rating lower on the scale. And if my company has good fundamentals, I have good cash flows, everything is good, fundamentally my company is sound, it will give a rating which is higher on the scale for my bonds. Now, my bond has been rated, but what does it mean for me who is a borrower and for you who is a creditor? If my bond gets a higher rating on the scale, that means I have a greater probability of paying you the interest and the principal which you have invested in my bonds. And if I get a lower rating on the scale, that means I have a probability of defaulting on my payments. If my bond gets a higher rating on the scale, that means I can offer my bonds at lower rate of interest, say 5%. What does that mean for me? I get to offer my bonds at lower rate of interest. That means the cost of borrowing for me has reduced. That way, I have to pay less interest to you. Now, if the opposite happens, Moody's rate my bond at the lower end of the scale, I will have to offer a higher rate of interest to you on my bonds. That means my cost of borrowing increases and I will have to pay more interest to you. And that is what has happened here. Moody's have downgraded India's sovereign credit ratings to Baa3 from Baa2, and Moody's have explained their rationale behind this downgrade in a press release. What they have said in the press release is very obvious. If you follow some news, you may have guessed one of the reasons. Yes, it is COVID-19 lockdowns. COVID-19 is not only the reason. If you have observed, the Indian economy, the GDP growth of the Indian economy has slowed down in past 5 years. Just look at this data. The GDP growth rate for FY16 was 8%. In FY17 it was 8.3%. In FY18 it was 7%. In FY19 it was 6.1%. In FY20 it fell to 4.3%. And in FY21, due to these COVID lockdowns, Indian economy is set to contract from 1% to 5%. Hope you have learned what is a bond credit rating agency and how does it work. If you're new to the stock markets and investing, I would recommend you opening your Demat and trading account with Zerodha. Zerodha is India's leading discount broker with state-of-the-art setups for investing and trading. There is a link in the description. Click on the link and you will be directed to the account opening page. Share this video on your WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups and other social media. That way you're not only helping me, you're helping your friends and family. You're making them financially literate. So that way you're doing something good. I try to create simple videos with decent quality. If you like these videos, let me know in the comments. If you want more videos from me, consider subscribing my channel. It is always great to learn something new. So keep learning. That's it for today. Bye bye.